building.
It is. Is it?
Yeah. All right, ready?
Yep. Wait for them. They're
Ready?
gonna come to us. Hold on. It's coming around that side. I got one guy killed here. Or he's
Yeah.
down.
Okay.
He's
Let's
gonna
go.
go. Yep. Ah, the circle's gonna fucking eat me. Oh, I'm just inside it. Fuck you, circle.
Okay, I see a guy on a rock.
I gotta get this rock and fucking drop.
210.
I know. I got a bandage. Oh my god, I'm so weak. Don't fucking give away your position. Okay, you got a good shot.
Yeah. Oh fuck! I'm knocked down, motherfucker.
Okay, hold on.
No, he's got me good.
Oh fuck! Somebody killed him. Just I shot him. You're dead?
Heal me. Heal me. Heal me.
Yeah. Come on. Okay, 10 seconds. Hold on.
Okay, there's pretty sure there's somebody to the west.
Okay, you're up. Bandage. Oh, hold on. Move. Okay, I got him. Fuck, for 4 alive, bud. 4 alive. Okay, watch to our backs. Boosting. Oh, guy coming on us right now. Coming on us right now. Got him. 3 alive. We're 2 of 3. Okay, stay
Okay,
by
I'm going to the other rock.
Okay. No boosts left. Fuck. Oh wait, I do. Hold on. Okay, he's gonna be coming from our left. From our west, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna have to go on the left side. We have to go left.
Left?
Yeah, because that's where we're gonna have the upper ground there.
You say when?
I'm in the circle right now.
Me too.
He's gotta come to us.
There he is.
Where? Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Woo, chicken dinner. Woo. Yeah. Woo.
Nice.
Atta boy. Fuck, I was trying to high five you, but you're not here.